Hello everyone, we are starting up with the chapter number 16th of class 8th, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife are natural resources that cover large areas of the globe. In this chapter, we will understand how important they are to humankind and why it is crucial to conserve them. For this, you need to understand what is natural vegetation. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid, or you can say interference. They have been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. Natural vegetation can be classified into three groups: forest, grasslands, and scrubs. These natural vegetations can be influenced by different factors. These are relief and climate. Relief can be further divided into land, soil, altitude, and when we talk about the climate, can be divided into temperature, humidity, photoperiod, and precipitation. In this video, we will learn only about the forests: tropical deciduous, tropical evergreen, temperate deciduous, temperate evergreen, coniferous forest, and Mediterranean vegetation. Tropical evergreen forests. These forests are also called tropical rainforest. These thick forests cover in the region near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shade their leaves altogether. That is why they look evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spread trees do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest even in the daytime. So, because of this, land does not receive any sunlight. Hardwood trees like rosewood, anobi, mahogany are the common here. Such rainforest can be found in the Western Ghats, parts of the Deltic West Bengal, Assam, and the Eastern Himalayas. Talking about temperate evergreen, the temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal regions. They are commonly found along the eastern margins of the continents, for example in southeast USA, South China, and in the southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and softwood trees like oaks, pine, eucalyptus. Now coming to the tropical deciduous forest, these are the monsoon forests found in the large part of India, northern Australia, and in Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood trees found in these forests are sal, teak, neem, and shisham. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport, and constructional materials. Tiger, lion, elephant, langurs, and monkeys are the common animals of these regions. In India, such forests can be found in the Gangetic Plains, Deccan Plateaus, Eastern Ghats, and the Chota Nagpur Plateaus, and also near the lower Himalayan foothills. Temperate deciduous, these forests are found in the eastern sides of the continents in the temperate latitude. They have warm, wet summers and cool, moist winters. They shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Wolf, bears, foxes, deer, lynx are some of the animals which can be found over here commonly. Coniferous forest. These forests are also called as taiga. Taiga means coniferous forest of cone-bearing softwood trees typical of the cold temperate zone. These forests are seen in a higher altitudes. Coniferous are tall, softwood evergreen trees. The wood of these trees are useful making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprints. Matchbox and packing box are also common from the softwood. Cheerfox, mink, polar bear are the common animals found here. Mediterranean vegetations. These vegetation is found on the western side of the continents in the temperate latitude, especially around the Mediterranean Sea. It is mostly found in the areas that is in Europe, Africa and Asia. These regions are marked for hot dry summers and mildly rainy winters. Trees have thick bark, waxy leaves and deep roots to minimize transpiration. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives and grapes are commonly cultivated here because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate. Wolves, wild cattle, snakes and crocodiles make up the wildlife.